There are some things that will make your home feel and look more expensive and luxurious, even if you are on a budget. I am a firm believer that creating elegant and luxurious feel doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. It might be actually easier to achieve than you think. With some tricks and tips and attention to details, you will achieve that kind of look without spending a fortune. And today I'll be sharing with you my favorite ways to make your home look more expensive and elegant. Number 1, create a welcoming entry. I like to think of an entry as a preview of the rest of your home. It's the first thing people see when they visit you, and it gives them a glimpse of who you are and what you like. So I think the entry probably deserves as much attention as the rest of the rooms. But more importantly, there's nothing more luxurious than feeling peaceful and at ease when you're coming home. So I encourage you to create a welcoming entry in your home by adding a console table, fresh flowers, a few decorative pieces, and a signature scent that will welcome you every time you come home. I'm sure you also want your guests to feel welcome as soon as they arrive in your home. So adding a few thoughtful details is key. You might add a little bench or a stool for your guests to drop their purse on, or sit down and have a quick chat. I absolutely love a small bench with a cushion if you have larger space. As they say, first impression lasts. So let's make our entryways as welcoming and inviting as possible. Number 2, add accent pillows. One simple thing you can do to make your home look more luxurious is adding accent pillows. Large throw pillows on the sofa just instantly give an elegant look to your entire room. And it's also a great way to add colors, patterns, and personality to your home. If you're like me and you want to keep your color palette quite neutral, and also your sofa is in neutral color, try adding bold contrasting color pillows or interesting patterns. You're going to get the most impact if all of your pillows are the same shades or similar shades. But there is one important thing to remember. Make sure that your pillows don't look flat. So if you're looking for a full plush cushion effect, it's very easy to achieve by inserts that are slightly bigger than the cover itself. Usually just going one size up works. Another way to make your home feel more expensive is by bringing in nature. There are many ways to add nature into your home, but possibly the easiest one is by adding fresh flowers, branches, or dried leaves to your space. I actually love mixing it up and having fresh flowers or dried leaves depending on the season. Decorating with white branches has always been a secret for stylists, interior designers, and florists. And I absolutely love fresh branches with vase arrangements. They add so much drama to your space and create visually interesting focal point. I also think using branches as a design element in your home can add uniqueness and unexpected touch to your home. And it's actually very simple to get them. I usually go for a walk in my local park and look for some branches on the ground that I like. And I just bring them home and style them in a beautiful vase. Whether it's wild branches or fresh flowers, in my opinion, home doesn't really feel completed. They just add so much warmth and coziness into the room. Let me know if you feel the same. One more thing, if your home is quite neutral and there isn't a lot of colors, fresh flowers and leaves are the easiest and cheapest way to add some color and interest to your home. Number 4, always have something old in your home. Sometimes when everything in the room is brand new, glossy, or from the same era, it can feel a bit matchy-matchy, flat and soulless. So for that very reason, I absolutely love matching all the new furniture, all the new decor, and I love adding vintage and antique pieces, things that you might have for years, and make your home feel and look unique to you. Also, balancing all the new interior brings together the best of both worlds, the coziness of traditional design and the freshness of contemporary design. If you're decorating your space, consider going to a thrift store or a charity shop or even looking online to source things that you can add to your home that will bring some personality and uniqueness to your home. And if you're a beginner, the best way to add some old furniture is by adding small decor pieces or accent furniture pieces like coffee table, desk, or a side table. It doesn't have to be an expensive antique to add something special to your home. Just add something that means something to you. Number 5, add baskets. I can't stress enough how much I love baskets. They bring the sense of warmth and coziness into your home. They remind me of the countryside, and of course countryside gives us a very homely feel. It's also a great way to add chic rustic elements to modern and glam interiors. Also, baskets give you additional storage for blankets and throws in your living room, beauty products in your bathroom, as well as toys in your kids' room. It's an amazing way to store things that you don't want to have on display. 6. Lamps. One thing that every expensive looking home always has are table lamps. It's the best way to add warmth and coziness into your home. You can be very creative with lighting and have different lamps throughout your home. Wall lamps, table lamps, and floor lamps are the best way to add elegance and luxurious feel to your home. You can place your lamps on the side table in the living room, on a console in your hallway, as well as in your bedroom. They'll make a difference to the look and mood of your home and can also add a touch of luxury to your space. Also put them in more unexpected places like bookshelves. And let's not forget kitchen. Having a lamp on your kitchen counter will instantly add some warmth and make your kitchen feel more inviting. There's one last thing to remember. Always consider the scale of your lamp. Large-scale lamps do look so much better and luxurious than small lamps, especially if you have a larger space. Number 7. Add photos in a high-end way. Home galleries can add a personalized touch to a home, and there isn't really right or wrong to display photos. However, it can sometimes look a bit messy if there is too many different colors or frames. It might just create busyness. But there is a stylish way to create a high-end gallery wall. If you want to create more elegant gallery walls with your family photos, I recommend using either the same frames or similar color palette. For all of the frames, it really creates uniform look. Those small changes go such a long way, it will really look beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my first video of this channel. I'm so excited to have you here and start this new journey. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, leaving a comment and coming back for more tricks and tips. Thank you so much one more time, and I'll see you in the next video.